with Herbal Soul. Welcome to our channel. So today I am just going to briefly show you how I strain my fire cider. This has been sitting for about a month and in apple cider vinegar with the mother, and it's organic. Everything in here is organic. If you can get organic, go ahead and get that. So the ingredients I have is star anise, rosemary, nettles, cloves, gotu kola, which is a very powerful herb that's great for the immune system and many other things, but gotu kola is excellent for boosting your immune system. Ashwagandha, basil, oregano, red pepper flakes, cloves, thyme, cilantro, jalapenos, cayenne pepper, ginger, turmeric, onion, and garlic. So let me just put on my gloves because it's always best to wear your gloves when you're straining or working with herbs, and we don't want any cross-contamination, anything of that sort. Okay, so it's just very simple. There's so many recipes out there. This is just something that this recipe is just something I recently created. You can do a basic fire cider. You don't have to have all these types of herbs. I mean, just basically, if you can just get garlic, ginger, onions, jalapenos, horseradish, that would be excellent as well. All right, so I'm just straining this in here. Hope you can see. And wow, that looks wonderful. All right, oh, and look at the turmeric. All right, so look at all that goodness in there. And here's my cider. So what I'll do is I'll pour it back in here and add honey, raw honey. And you just pretty much add as much as that you can take as far or to taste. You don't have to put a lot of honey, just some type of honey or some type of amount for its medicinal qualities. And usually what I do is if I'm feeling like I'm about to get sick, I just take a little shot once every 2 hours for the whole day, or just a couple of times a day. This works excellent. So anyway, there's my little video on my fire cider, straining it and how I use it. There's so many recipes out there online, but I just wanted to show you how I strain my fire cider and the ingredients, and the opportunities are endless as far as what you can put in your cider. Okay? All right, blessings. Shalom.